Hi friends, welcome to a new video. In this video, I am sharing to you the details of how to easily refill HP 126A Cyan or CE311A toner cartridge without any tool. This is the new toner cartridge of 126A or CE311A, and this is the empty toner cartridge of CE311A. We share with you an easy way to refill toner cartridges and ink cartridges of different brands from home. Many pupils refill by making a hole in the toner, but in this video I will show you how to easily refill without a hole. This channel is based on printer information and many videos have already been uploaded about the latest printer unboxing and printer features. But recently we also started uploading videos of refill cartridges. Prepare your workspace. Place paper towels or newspapers on a flat surface to protect your workspace in case you spill toner powder. Put on rubber gloves if you want to make sure you do not get powder on your hands. Printer manufacturers usually do not instruct or even encourage customers on how to refill a toner cartridge in hopes that you will simply buy a new replacement cartridge. However, adding toner to a laser printer on your own is an inexpensive and easy alternative to purchasing a new toner cartridge. Learn how to add toner to your cartridge to help save your money. Purchase the proper type of toner powder that is compatible with your printer and its cartridge. There are several types of toner, but not separate ones for every single printer model. Most differ on features, not basic technology. In a pinch, a toner from a very similar model of printer will probably also work, but research or ask first. Toner powders are different by grain size, chemical construction, and weight. That is exactly why only the compatible type of toner powder will work with your cartridge. After one or two refills, we recommend that you empty the waste toner container because otherwise a perfect printing quality cannot be guaranteed. Please note as well, refill toner and toner powder may cause serious health problems if not handled carefully. So, we recommend always using breathing protections while refilling toner cartridge. Furthermore, toner powder and refill toner can be highly flammable with an appropriate oxygen mixture. After filling the toner powder to container, this roll is replaced as before. Shake the cartridge lightly from side to side, holding horizontally to ensure even distribution of the toner powder. After replacing this roll, rotate both sides manually. If this roll does not turn, the roll is not properly placed. So, check again and place it properly. If rotate the drum smoothly, the mission is successfully completed. Replace the smart chip if your cartridge requires this extra step. Some printers will not work after a toner powder refill unless a new smart chip fuse is installed. Most toner refill kits comes with a smart chip if it is needed for your cartridge. This smart chip also needs to be replaced for the color printer toner. As it is a cyan color toner, you should use a cyan toner chip. If the chip is inserted incorrectly, the printer will not work. You can see the letter C written on the chip. The chip is different for each color. If placed the chip correctly, this mission is successfully completed. After that, reinstall the cartridge into your printer. This video winding up now. If you have any doubts or need to know anything more, you can comment on this video. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.